Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be walking you through how to use the Prophet Intelligence bot. Let's get started. Prophet Intelligence bot is your advanced Casper trading companion. They also have features like token minting and sweeping, real-time tracking and charts, premium analytics, trending tokens and market data. This bot will also help you to easily track your wallets and KRC tokens on Casper network. So let's get started. The link you'll be needing for this bot is this. I will drop it below the description. So take notes so you will not use a wrong link. And the next thing we need to do is to click on the link. All you need to do is to click on start. And we need to touch that start. Now we have received the welcome message. To make use of all the features on this bot, all you need to do is to touch the help button. When you touch help, you will see a swap button. I will explain once you touch this swap. But before we can do anything on this wallet, we need to import our account to this particular wallet, because if you see, I've not created any wallet. If I click on this swap button now, I will be asked this swap button, I will be asked to import or create a wallet. So let me try it now. Hold on. No connected wallet found. Use import wallet or create wallet to start using this feature. So you guys remember when I taught you how to create your Casper wallet on KSPR bot? If you haven't watched the video, you can see the video above. We have to go and import our wallet to this Prophet Intelligence. So let me go and copy my private key. To import your wallet, you'll be needing your private key. So I will click on import wallet. Once I touch import wallet, please enter your private key. Please enter your private key to get started. So I have to go now and copy my private key. Okay guys, I just copied my private key and pasted it immediately. I got this message: connected. Your wallet has been successfully imported and is ready to use. If you are finding this helpful, consider subscribing so you won't miss out for more insights like this. So guys, let's continue. So the next thing we need to do now is to click on, if you want to swap, I want to show you what each and every command here means. So the first one, swap. If I want to sell this nacho to CAS, all I need to do is to touch this nacho. Once I touch it, they'll say you selected nacho to swap from. Now select the type of token you want to swap to. If I want to swap it to BTC, Ethereum, USDC, CAS, RATs, funds, I'll just touch the one I want to swap it to. So I'll just touch I want to swap it to CAS. The next message you will see is swap nacho to CAS. Your nacho balances. How many nacho would you like to swap? For the purpose of this video, I'll just be swapping my 25%. So I'll touch 25%. I'll wait for the next message. Minimum swap is equivalent to 50 CAS. Please enter a larger amount. Minimum. So basically, I can't sell it at the moment. So you can see, they said the minimum swap amount is equivalent to 50 CAS. So the nacho I have in my wallet is not will not be up to 50 CAS if I decide to swap it. So that's why it's not possible for me to swap yet. Then the next button is the buy. This feature is used to buy tokens with CAS. Let me touch it so that you see. Now, we made use of the swap button. Now we want to buy. Now they ask you which token do you want to buy with CAS. So let me just say nacho. They now ask you, how much cash would you like to swap? Please select a percentage to enter a specific amount. I'll be making use of 50%. So now the next thing that will come out is I should confirm swap. So I will touch confirm swap. So the next thing you will get is your order is now being processed. Swap order submitted successfully. Your transaction has been verified and is now processing with this. Swapping 66 cars to natural. Now our swap of 66 cars to 39,000 natural has been completed successfully. The next one is the premium commands. These premium commands are for Telegram premium users. It's not for everyone. So the next thing is wallet management. This. So if you want to create wallets, we already have our wallet, so no need of creating wallet. Then importing of wallets, we already imported our wallet. So if I want to remove my wallet from this Prophet Intelligence, I'll just click on remove your connected wallet. Once you click remove your connected wallet, it will ask you to confirm, then it will remove it immediately. Anytime you want to import back, you can always import back. So that's what that remove wallet feature means. Then the next thing is to check our balance. Okay, this check balance. So if I want to make use of it now, you see fetching your balance. Please wait. Now see my address. The next one is the maintain option. Once you touch this now this is the main reason for this video. So pay attention to this. Once you click the mint button, guys, pay attention here. And to ask you why I like this bot is that it will show you the hot mint, the tokens that people are actually minting very well. So instead of going to the main page and be scrolling to check the ones that are minting out fast, this bot will actually help you do that. So you can see that Bikango is on 68%, KX is on 34%, Sigma is on 34%, and Frogs jumps. So that is it. So let's assume I want to mint Bikango. So all I need to do is to touch Bikango, the first one. All I need to do is to touch it. Once I touch it, what you will see is this Bikango minting information. They have already minted 685 million Bikango. Then holder 625. Mint limit per transaction is 4K. So for one cast, you'll be getting 4K Bikango. So enter, let's put 20. There's something I noticed in this priority fee. I like using medium, but even the medium or high, none of them used to work for me. Let me click on it so that you understand what I'm saying. When I touch medium, confirm, it is minting. Guys, take note. Minting complete. You see what will come out again. Minting cancelled. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Okay, now, I don't know. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Now, let's go back to touch that Bikango again. Now, it's asking me to enter the amount of mint I want. So I will repeat that 20. So for this, I will be choosing Super Boost. They will be charging me 0.4 cars, the medium one 0.6, the high is 0.8. Then the Super Boost is 3.2. That is actually the one that have been working for me. So let's go with it. You will see the transaction will be completed now. Super Boost. Confirm. Are you seeing the minting progress? Guys, the minting is complete. And the next one is this, the tracking commands. If you click on this track wallet, let's assume you want to track a particular whale's wallet, or maybe you want to track another person's wallet. You will just touch the track wallet. They will now tell you to enter the wallet address you want to track. So it's left for you to paste the wallet address you want to track, but we don't want to track anybody's wallet. So let's go back to the next feature. Let's command. Then the next one is token. The next one is track token. So any token you want to track, it will ask you to enter the token ticker you want to track. The next command is track worth. You can actually check the worth of the wallet you are tracking. But this stop track worth is if you want to stop tracking the worth of a wallet, you can actually use this button to stop that. Then this stop tracking wallet, if you want to stop tracking the wallet you already set to track, you can use this button. Then this stop tracking token, if you want to stop tracking a particular token or a particular project, you can actually use this button. Wallet and token info. The words, get tracked wallet words. So let's assume you are tracking a wallet and you want to know the worth of the wallet. You can actually use this worth button. This. Then wallet info. Get wallet info. If you are tracking a particular wallet, you can get the info. You want everything you want to know about the wallet. So the next one is token info. So tracking a particular token. Then list wallets, list track wallets. You can actually use this command to list all the wallets you are tracking. Then list tokens to track all the tokens you are tracking. Get social links for a token. So I think we have actually covered the important ones. Then if you want to check chat and alert, you can use this one to get token chat. Then set price alert. Set a price alert for a token that is here. If you want to enable support resistant alert for all track tokens, you can actually use this command. Disable support resistant alert for all track tokens, you can actually use this one. So they're actually very easy to use. You just have to follow instructions. Just play around. You will understand the rest. I've actually treated the important ones that you need. If you want to check trending tokens, you can actually use this trending to view the top trending tokens. Okay, now let's see it. Now, top 6 trending tokens on Prophet Intelligence. Number 1 is Natural. Number 2 is Casper, KDAO, Caspi. The 5th one is Pintail. The 6th one is Conan. This Pintail is for Prophet Intelligence. It's actually their token and is already minted out. So guys, that is it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips. Bye.